Hello Excel family, this is Rudy with Excel, and we're going to show you how to replace the screen on a CT series horizontal slider window. Things to note: cutting and rolling tools are not included in your order, but they will be essential for this replacement. To get started, you'll need to cut the rubber liner and remove it and the screen. Now you can lay the new screen material over the window like so. And with the roller tool, you can press and roll the new rubber lining into the same groove that you removed the old lining from. We recommend that you cut the lining at the sharp corners, but not for the rounded corners. Continue rolling the rubber lining into the groove around the entirety of the screen, and then cut the excess lining and excess screen material from the window.